How to fix create list not showing in WhatsApp in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and search here WhatsApp. Now here you can check your WhatsApp update. If your WhatsApp have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, then click on iPhone storage and then scroll down and click on WhatsApp. Now here you can offload your WhatsApp app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.